Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in more tech news that we have today, we learn in some of the filings in court where, of course, Google is trying to defend itself against the antitrust that it's going through. Now, we learned that Microsoft tried to sell Bing to Apple in 2018 and actually did so several occasions before that also, but that Apple always refused, saying that the Bing search engine was vastly inferior to what Google does. We, of course, know that Google has a $10 to $15 billion a year contract with Apple to push Google search within Apple devices. And it's interesting to see that Microsoft did try to push this. And it is now, of course, a little different since they've got the Copilot and the AI. They're trying to push it now in a new direction. But it is still, here in Canada, I don't know if you've tried it. Some people like it. I've had some people tell me they like it. But personally, Bing is the most horrific search engine I can use in any device here, so I never use it. And I can't say that anything has changed with Copilot or anything. I don't think it has worked in any way or changed in any way because of the AI introduction to the Bing engine. So it's interesting it would have been interesting to see Apple adopt Bing, but it never could have happened, of course. Apple does want to have the best of the best when it does things, and of course, Bing is far from being that. So do you use Bing? A question that I might have for you guys today. Is Bing a search engine that you use? You like it or not? Or if you've used it in the past but don't use it at all, what do you like or don't like? Any of the replies, of course, in the comments below. Like I said here, I don't use it because it's just really bad. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.